Hi, this is Jodie from VIVE Cooking School. I'm going to show you a mind-blowing technique to cut capsicum. This literally saved my life and saved my cleanup time as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to top and tail your capsicum. So top, tail, and then we're going to slice down the capsicum like so, and then very carefully just taking out that sediment in between. We're rolling the capsicum around and avoiding our hands from being cut. We can remove the center without any seeds flying away. If you have some loose ones, just tap it over the bin and they'll fall off. We can use every part of the capsicum, so make sure you use this top bit as well. We can remove the stalk like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to dice our capsicum. So the end bits are nice and easy. We can slice through those, okay? And then we move it on to the other ones. And making sure that you have a prep side and an unprepped side. I really want to get into this one though and show you this one so you can slice it into manageable pieces which are manageable for you. If you'd like them a little bit smaller, then you can cut them a little bit smaller as well. We're going to slice through one way, then we're going to spin it around, making sure our hand is using the claw and keeping out of the line of the knife so we don't get cut. Then we can cut through and dice that up without any seeds all over our board. Isn't that amazing? And we can just go through like this. Obviously for you guys, if you'd like to take that a little bit slower, that's absolutely fine. Just keep in mind, I've had years and years of practice, but that's what your capsicum is going to look like at the end.